So to get this housing off, there's 3 bolts. Long one that goes in here. Shortest one goes back here, which you'll need this baby for because you really can't get anything else back in there. And this bolt's going to go back here behind the intake, and I'd use this too. That's what I use. You're going to take it off after of course disconnecting the coolant hoses from here and here, and wiping all the oil off and everything. And then here's where it leaked, right here, all down here you can see. And so now we're going to clean the mating surface too. Here, new gasket, we'll be good.